Welcome to Seal Software Library. So, in this session, we are going to learn about how to add formulas in our any dynamic callout or label. Okay, so it is going to be a Civil 3D tips and trick video. Okay, let's dig into it. We'll start from for now. What we'll do? I'll add one spot elevation. We'll create. I'll just explain what I'm thinking right now. I'll add a spot elevation. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll create a one formula which will shows that whatever the spot elevation which get from surface, we'll add 6 inch above of that. So it will be kind of like it this kind of levels which we use in where while we are labeling our back of curve, top of curve, right? So at that time we use this kind of formulas. So I'll just create, let's create one for that. Okay, so we'll go to the tool space. In tool space we have to come to settings. In settings we are going for surface, right? Surface. In surface we have to go to spot elevation. In spot elevation we have to go for expression, which is the last option. There is always a option at a last. Okay, you can create it for anything, like not for a surface, you can create for points also. Okay, in label style you can see expression, you can create for like anything, even for points, even you can create for pipes also, pipes, everything. Whatever you will see, there is always a in label style there is always a tab for expression. Okay, so in expression we'll usually add our custom formulas or anything which we want, custom values which will we want at to show up in our layout at the uh, editing tab. Okay, I'll show where it where I'm what I'm talking about. So we'll go to expression, you'll go add new. Okay, right click new. Here I'll name it as 6 inch above. Okay, above. So here there are different types of results which we can expect from these, like I'll show there are like different of formats are there here, like one for angle, area is there, azimuth, coordinates, dimension, direction, distance, and all elevations kind of stuff. For now I want elevation, right? I'll go to elevation, and there in expression we'll came to we'll see all the elevation, like elevation will I'll choose surface elevation. Okay, I'll name it as a surface elevation, like this is my 1480.32, right? I want 6 inch above, so surface elevation will be this 1480. It will automatically take it, and we want like 6 inch above, so plus 0.5. Why 0.5? Because it's 6 inch above, so 12 inch equal to 1 feet, and one I'm taking half feet. So we have to write it here as in a feet format. Okay, not in inches. I'll hit like description, I'll keep nothing. This is the expression we are creating. I'll hit OK. Now it's done, right? We'll go to like what is the label style. It's elevation only. We'll go credit or edit, uh, copy current selection. We'll come to layout. In layout, what I'm talking about, this text here, the which we enter data. I'll keep our current elevation as a EG. Okay, and our whatever the 6 inch above, we'll name it as, for now I'll name it as a FG only. Okay, FY. So I'll reduce its I will reduce its precision to 0.2 digit. Okay, now I'll add this one. Okay, I'll hit, we'll add for like, we'll add feet symbol at the end, just for better. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so this is our easy elevation, just 5.5 feet. It will add every time, like if you I'll move this label at somewhere else, it will automatically edit those values, right? Like here, exactly, you can see what I'm talking about. So you can create for this kind of formulas for anything. Like let's create for one, uh, let's create for pipe. Okay, I'll create for pipe only. Yeah, so we'll go in plan views. Okay, in plan views we'll we create expression for like length, whatever the length plus uh, let's suppose we are in working in culverts. Okay, whatever the pipe length is plus wing distance. The wing is like at the end we provide a wing, no, that kind of we'll add that distance here. So similarly we can do like we'll name it as a wing, same stuff. And here we want distance. Okay, so here we'll add a pipe length. I'll choose pipe length 2D. You can choose 3D also for now. Like I'll add a let's suppose 1 feet, 1 feet. So this kind of formulas you can create. You can you will get this formula in our here in layout. Okay, so here you can see one, what we named it, wing, right? Wing. So you can see here, it will show here. So I hope this will come in handy when you are doing all your presentation work. So happy learning, guys. Till then, so see ya. Bye.